Okay, this is also really nice today. Remember, it's the 14th of July 2025. It's Heinola Healthcare Center in Latvia, Finland, as it always gotten. We replaced an older one in 1990.
Yeah.
This is the rights.
Yeah.
It's the back number.
Yeah.
The numbers are 73010, request Eastern versus Weitergrams.
This staircase B.
Thanks for the That's interesting that it has a dog as well.
Yeah.
You can process. Maybe it's not working.
Yeah. Ispitiitpaakki vaan, olisi pitänyt meitä sen tai Suomen hissirakointi.
We can, yeah, try the bumper up for P.
Yeah.
And I thought it was too embarrassing, but
Yeah.
at least not too much. Yes, it's working fine. But that's the only important elevator here.
Yeah.
Because we checked the others and they are unfortunately replaced with cases.
Yeah, but one geariksi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Wheelchair lift.
Yeah.
But maybe it's too embarrassing.
Yeah.
This doesn't have the channels outside.
Yeah.
And then there's the other one. That's it.
That's